Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Japanese bedding with the FULI Japanese Futon Mattress. Let's explore what makes this traditional yet modern sleep solution stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about comfort. This futon mattress is designed with a 100% cotton fabric and filled with a combination of polyester and polyurethane, providing a soft yet supportive surface for a good night's sleep. Setting up this futon is a breeze. Whether you're using it as a floor mattress or on a bed frame, its portable and foldable design allows for easy storage and versatility. Many users have praised its ability to alleviate back pain and provide a comfortable sleeping experience. Plus, its 3-layer construction helps distribute pressure evenly, ensuring a restful sleep. Maintaining this futon is simple too. Just remove the cover for airing and drying in the sun to keep it fresh and fluffy. And remember, it's made in Japan, known for its quality craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for a space-saving bedding solution or want to experience the comfort of Japanese sleeping culture, the FULI Japanese Futon Mattress has you covered. Don't just take my word for it, check out the reviews for yourself. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you've tried this futon mattress or have any questions. Until next time, sleep well and stay comfy.